ये रही ये रही ये रही वाओ ये रहे हैं। अरे ये काम मत करो ये
जग मारना तू ये आजा आजा क्या
This is Zero. He has
Hi.
two. Say hi.
Hi,
He has two daughters,
Mariska and Chanoshka.
Mariska and Janushka. Riddhi Siddhi, say hi to them.
Hi, baby.
चप्पल नहीं पहन सकते क्या?
मैं भी टूरिस्ट हूँ।
अच्छा आप भी टूरिस्ट हो। We are going in the sea at this moment. ये रही वाओ ये बोरी देखी कुकी हाँ वो देख बोरी है ना वो देख बोरी देखी ये है ये रही है ये देखो वो That's the Agoda Fort. Friends, this place which you see here, this is known as Diamond Merchant, as the fisherman told us. This is around 100 crore rupee place. The overall view which you see here is all what we have for you. He is doing surfing. वो बता रहा है कि ऊपर जो आपको दिख रहा है ये अगोड़ा फोर्ट है।
यही तो खड़े थे हम।
हाँ, दिस इज द अगोड़ा फोर्ट एंड द व्यू विच यू आर सीइंग here, this one, this is the Dilchatai view from the other side. That is the lighthouse. और इसी का बैक साइड में जो पुरानी सेंट्रल जेल है वो है यहाँ पे। This is a fisherman's boat and we are going in the deep waters for the fishing. So guys, we are heading back to the shore now. So we are back now, guys, from the Dolphin Island, and I'm sure it was a wonderful experience we have had. It was my first time I've seen the dolphins, and definitely it will be a place for me to remember. Hey guys, so we are back again now. Today we are at the Benolim Beach in South Goa. This is day 3, and in the evening time, this is one of the most coolest and the cleanest beaches here in South Goa. We are here particularly for this. I will show you around here that the fishermen's ships, the boats are kept here in large amounts. This is a local fishing point for the Goans. The folks here around normally do the fishing around. This is evening time, so majorly all the boats have already come back, or whatever is left, those will be soon arriving. Now, as you can see around, I'll show you. You will find that there are lesser people, definitely compared to the north beaches. There is less crowd here, but this is very particular crowd, and these are peace of mind beaches. You want time to be spent with your loved ones, with your family, you can come around here definitely and have your peace of mind here. Northern beaches are more crowded, they are more happening as well, but if you want a peace of mind, you should come to South Goa. This is Benolim Beach. Shacks which you are seeing around me. Benolim is known for its white sand, so you will not find every type of sand, but the Benolim and Polva you will find white sand all over the beach. That's something really cool to talk on. On your marks, get set, go! Hey friends, a very good morning. So we are at the Karina Beach Resort at the moment, and this is the view of the property we are staying here. It's a secluded resort, but it's really nice and peaceful in South Goa. As you can see, we have fair amount of greenery here. We have a pool at the back. So we are here at the breakfast table, and I'll just show you the view how it is looking. Just see around the nature earth around, and we are having a breakfast here. So we'll just quickly wrap up the breakfast and then we'll head for the day 2. So friends, now we are at the Donna Paula Jetty Point. This view which you see in front of me is the famous Singer movie view, where the shot was taken. Ajay Devgan, our superhero, had destroyed the goons there. This is the exact place where this shot had been taken. I'll show you a quick view around. Let me turn the camera. There is a construction activity which is going on at the moment, which you see. From here, that jeep had fallen inside the water. This is exactly the location where you see the construction is actually going on. And if you can see at the background of that place, that's an island where you can go and do your photo shoot. That's a photo point here. Further to the right, you see this is the area where there is a complete beach point. There are people who are around. This is the beach view which I was just talking about. If you can see, there is a whole lot of a crowd, and there's a good breeze which blows in to your body. It really soothes your feeling around. I'll just show you around the complete view. Just look at the area. You will really have a wonderful time watching this. That's the Donapaula viewpoint. People are taking their photo shoots. That's the Hyatt Hotel you see at the background. Yeah, this one. That's the Hyatt Hotel at the background, and look at the view. So जो ये जेट स्की राइड है वो अराउंड 3500 से, इफ यू वांट टू डू अ सिंगल पर्सन हायर, और इफ यू वांट टू डू अ फैमिली बोट तो आप 1500 रुपए देके एक कंप्लीट फैमिली बोट यहाँ से हायर कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको कोई स्पेशल ट्रिप के लिए जाना है डॉल्फिन व्यूज के लिए तो वो प्राइवेट जेटीज भी यहाँ से अवेलेबल हैं. एट द बैक एंड वेयर यू सी द व्यू, दिस इज द प्राइवेट जेटी एरिया where all the jetties are available, and this location is the place from where you have to go to for boarding the jetties. There is one person who has hired this and they are going on a single one. This is the Saint Basilica Church. If you see behind me, this is commonly known as the Old Goa Church. You can easily find the way to the Saint Basilica Church on your Google Maps. This is in and around the Panjim area in the central Goa region, and this must visit place for you. If you want to have a relax from the North Goa nightlife and your enjoyment, you should find peace of mind here definitely. Today we are at the Palolem beach. This is the most farthest beach in the southern platform of Goa, and today we are here. This is the only beach where you will find places to live in as hotels on the beach itself. So that's a wonderful thought over which the locals have placed over to here. और अगर आप यहाँ पे रहना चाहते हैं तो आपको प्री बुकिंग ज़रूर कर लेनी चाहिए. किसी भी होटल वेबसाइट पे आपको जाके ये मिल सकती हैं, बट प्री बुकिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन एनी सीजन बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द सीजन्स यहाँ पे बुकिंग्स रहती ही हैं. प्री ऑक्यूपाइड, द लोकल्स एंड द नियर अबाउट्स आर ऑलवेज ऑन वीकेंड्स और मे बी वीकडेज. जब भी मौका मिलता है वो रहते ही हैं यहाँ पे. So I just want to say farewell, goodbye to you guys because today is the last day, it's the last evening we are in Goa. and we had a really good time. I'm sure the videos once gets uploaded, you will also enjoy the videos. Stay tuned with us. Stay tuned with Riddhi City Vlogs.